All right, so I am so excited to share with you guys a really cool new feature in Massview that we have. I am super excited to be using this in our business. We're gonna be doing some case studies around this, but let me show you what it is. I think it's really cool. So we basically created a new way to help you get product reviews and increase your build your email list for the products that you're already selling on Amazon. So what it is that we call it a product insert campaign. So you come over here and you just create a new campaign inside of Massview, and I'm just going to call this like product insert demo. So let me go ahead and click on that. And then in here, you can choose a reward that you want to give somebody for completing a survey. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna generate a file that makes a bunch of inserts that you're gonna print off and put them in your packaging. And then when somebody comes to answer your survey, you're gonna give them like a reward, like $1 or $2, whatever. So I'm just gonna put in like $1, so I can put in $1 here. I can put whatever amount I want in here, or I can choose one of these presets. So I'm just gonna choose $1. And then should the survey ask for Amazon review? Yes. Click next. And right now we have a few of these preset ones. We're gonna be adding a bunch more templates for you to use. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. You choose how many you want for your campaign. So this would be like how many units you have. So if you have like 600 units, you do 600. If you have 300 units or whatever, you do 300. So I'm just gonna do one because I'm just doing this for a demo. And then it's gonna give you like all the instructions that you need to do to create your inserts. So when you create your inserts, you just gotta make sure everything's set up. It should look like this. I already have all my settings in my printer. So this is where you change like your layout, like you go into more settings, make sure everything's set here, like A5, pages per sheet, margins, all that stuff has to be set correctly. And then you're just gonna save it as a PDF. You're not gonna wanna actually print this. So I'm gonna save this as a PDF. I'm gonna call it inserts test. And here we go. And that should have saved my file for me. So let's go here, inserts test. And now I have this product insert. So when you do 100 of these or 1,000 of these or 10,000 or whatever, each one of these is going to be unique. So this QR code and this code right here is unique for every single product. It's a thing that we generate for you. So it's going to generate this file for you, and it's going to have a unique printout for every single product that you want. So let's say you're doing an order of 1,000 units, you would set the quantity as 1,000, and it would actually make 1,000 unique images right here for you to save. And the reason why we do it unique is because each one of these codes and each one of these codes here are unique. So that way when the buyer gets this product, this is their proof of purchase. They don't have to do a order ID or anything like that. Also, if you're selling on Amazon as a vendor and you're not getting the order ID, this will still work for you. If you're selling in Walmart or brick and mortar or whatever, and you want to offer a reward and build your email list, this will still work for you. So wherever you're selling a physical product, this will work for you. You put it in your packaging, and then the customer can scan this and go and do the reward. And it's really easy. So what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna switch the camera over to show me scanning this, and I'm gonna show you what the buyer goes through when they go through this experience. I think it's really cool, and I think you'll think it's neat. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so this is what the buyer is going to see like in their packaging. They're basically gonna get a, it'll be this printout right here. So I don't have these printed right now, so I'm just showing you on my computer, but imagine they pull this out of their package. And so then they just go over here, scan the code, or they can go to the website, type it in. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Everything is auto-magically filled in for me. So right now it's basically validating my code for me to make sure it's legit. And now it's basically saying, all right, let's take the survey for this product so you can get your reward. So really simple, the idea of this is to make the user experience as quick and easy as possible. They don't have to type anything in. They don't have to do order confirmations. It's just like bam, 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 easy, 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 easy. So go to next, choose the price of the product. Next, how likely are you to recommend this to a friend? And then put in the information for where we want to get paid. We'll do paul@massview.com. Done. Next. And bam, $1 headed your way. And we asked them for a review on Amazon right there. Now we are working on a couple different flows where you can actually make the review on Amazon kind of part of the process as well, to kind of make it seem a little bit more mandatory as well. This is like kind of the first version of this. So I'm super excited to try this in my businesses. I have these already going out in our products that we just got manufactured. So the ones that are like coming in from China right now, we are putting this in there. And I definitely think that if you're doing inserts, you should definitely be using this way of doing product inserts instead, because you can actually offer some incentive for somebody to do something. It can be as simple as $1. We're also going to add support for coupon codes and warranty registrations and everything like that as well. So anyway, this is how it works. And we'll be doing some updates, talking about our review rates and our email list building and everything else. Super simple to do. We do charge a fee for each rebate we pay out, of course, but basically whenever somebody claims the rebate and they actually validate it, that's when you'll be charged for the rebate that's paid out. But everything's completely automated. The email address comes into Massview. You can have all that, build your list, and see your metrics and everything inside the Massview dashboard. So super cool way to build your email list and increase your reviews on Amazon. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let us know if there's any changes or tweaks or things you'd like to see in the product. Thanks.